Welcome back to Daily Motivation with Bima. In today's video, we're going to talk about a critical aspect of achieving success, setting realistic goals. We've all heard the saying, shoot for the stars, but while aiming high is important, it's just as crucial to set goals that are realistic and achievable. In this video, we'll explore why setting realistic goals is the key to long-term success and how you can do it effectively. Part 1. Why realistic goals matter. Let's start by discussing why setting realistic goals is so important. When you set a goal that is achievable, you create a clear path towards success. This doesn't mean you shouldn't challenge yourself, but it does mean your goals should be within reach based on your current resources, skills, and timeline. Unrealistic goals can leave you feeling frustrated and overwhelmed. It's easy to get discouraged when you're constantly falling short, which can lead to giving up entirely. On the other hand, realistic goals build momentum. Each time you reach a small goal, you feel a sense of accomplishment that motivates you to keep going. Part 2. How to set realistic goals. So, how do you set realistic goals? Here are a few practical steps. 1. Start with specific, measurable goals. Vague goals like, I want to be successful are hard to track and achieve. Instead, be specific. If you're working on improving your fitness, for example, set a goal like, I want to run 5 kilometers in 30 minutes within the next 3 months. Make sure your goals are measurable, so you can track your progress over time. 2. Break down big goals into smaller steps. Big, ambitious goals are great, but they can also feel overwhelming. The key is to break them down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to launch a business, start by breaking it down into tasks like market research, developing a business plan, and building a website. Each small victory brings you closer to the bigger goal. 3. Set a realistic timeline. It's important to give yourself enough time to achieve your goals. If you rush, you may end up cutting corners or feeling stressed. At the same time, avoid setting a timeline that's too long, as this can lead to procrastination. Find a balance that challenges you without causing burnout. 4. Consider your resources and skills. Be honest about what you can realistically achieve based on your current resources and skills. If you're just starting out in a new field, set beginner-level goals that match your current abilities. As you grow and improve, you can set higher goals that push you further. Part 3. Staying motivated while working on your goals. Setting realistic goals is only the first step. Staying motivated as you work toward those goals is just as important. Here's how you can maintain your momentum. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to track your progress. Seeing how far you've come, even with small milestones, can give you a huge confidence boost. Celebrate small wins. Don't wait until you've reached your big goal to celebrate. Take the time to acknowledge and reward yourself for each small win along the way. This reinforces the positive feelings that come with achieving something, keeping you motivated. Stay flexible. Sometimes things don't go according to plan. You might face unexpected obstacles or find that your initial timeline was too ambitious. It's okay to adjust your goals and timelines along the way. Flexibility is key to staying on track without feeling discouraged. Visualize your success. Take a few minutes each day to visualize yourself achieving your goal. Imagine how it will feel once you've accomplished it. This practice can help keep your motivation high, especially on days when things feel tough. Part 4. The long-term benefits of setting realistic goals. Setting realistic goals isn't just about short-term achievements, it's about building habits and mindsets that lead to long-term success. When you regularly set and achieve realistic goals, you develop a sense of discipline and confidence. You start to believe in your ability to achieve more challenging goals because you've built a track record of success. This momentum carries forward, helping you tackle even bigger projects and challenges with confidence. Realistic goal setting also teaches you to manage your time and resources more effectively. You learn how to prioritize what matters most, stay focused, and make steady progress toward your dreams without feeling overwhelmed. Conclusion. At the end of the day, setting realistic goals is one of the most powerful strategies for achieving long-term success. By starting small, staying focused, and breaking big ambitions into manageable steps, you'll be on your way to turning your dreams into reality. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and strategies for personal growth and success. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who could use some guidance on setting and achieving their goals.